Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sort a JavaScript array. So we will use the .sort method, and here we have an array of foods: donut, carrot, banana, and apple. We will just console log this array down here, and the point of this method is to sort the array alphabetically. So as you can see, they're sorted by D, C, B, and A. To actually sort the array, we have to type the array's name, .sort, and empty parentheses. And let's just console log our array. As you can see, the array starts from apple, banana, carrot, and donut. They're sorted alphabetically. It starts from A, B, C, and D. Guys, it's that easy. It's extremely useful, to be honest. And that's it. Have a great day and happy coding.